Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Chord Guitar into Wish Week. Alright, we have still this week going on where you wish for songs and I bring them up for you. And this time we have you, Alan Walker. I think you've been with us before, I know that. And you wish for a song from Enrique Iglesias. It's called Sweet Isabel. So Sweet Isabel, a nice choice there. Thank you, Alan, for interacting with me here. And I hope you will enjoy this, all you Iglesias fans. I hope you enjoy this as well. This fits guitar very, very well, this song actually. And it's very simple actually to play. Only 4 chords, and we will play them back and forth in different ways. So yeah. It would be nice to do this tutorial together with you. So let's take a look at Sweet Isabel, and we're gonna look at the chords first like we normally do. We're gonna do that without any capo, all right? So this song goes in this open airy fashion when it comes to the chords. So we have them a little bit differently than we normally have when it comes to straight E and A's and all that. So we're gonna look at the chords now. So to start with, we have E and A, and we're gonna look at these 2 chords in 2 different ways. So like I said, we have this open airy style of playing it, and in the verse, especially there, we're gonna use 2 chords. A little bit of the difference here when it comes to the E and A. So this will be the E chord, and I recommend you, if you're gonna use it somewhere in the song, that is in the verse, of course. So what you do here is to play open E, and then you put the little bar on the 2nd fret, and you bar the A and D. You can go down a little bit further as well, because you will have fingers in front, so it doesn't hurt if you bar further down, but avoid the E string. A bar on the 2nd fret from A string and down. So you cover the 2nd A and 2nd D, and then you will add the 4th G and 4th B, and important is to get the open E down there. That is beautiful, and that is one version of E. You can then play the rest of the song when it's not in the verse, play with the standard E, or just continue with the E if you had that in the verse. But this is the other version of it, in the standard version. It goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So that covers the E chords. Now over to the A, which is used in the verse as well. So this was the grip for E. The A now is just to move down the finger to play on the 2nd fret D string. So you take away the bar, you play the open A now, the 2nd D, and then you keep the fingers there, 4th G, 4th B, and open E. That is the open version of A. And then you can also play A later in the rest of the song with the sus version. Gives you also this kind of open airy feeling, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. So there we have the E and the A's. Now we'll go into the C sharp minor. Normally that is a bar chord, but like we said here, we have a little bit different chords. So this time we'll skip the bar, just have the 4th fret on A string, then 6 on D, 6 on G, 5th on B, and open E. All right, and the final chord is the B sus, also normally a bar, this time not open chords. So that will be 2nd on A, 4th on D, 4th on G, open B, and open E. And there we have all the chords needed. So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. So if we go to the first chord, which is the verse E, so I grab this special chord here, and we have a strumming pattern that is about 2 different parts because we're going to need to split it later. So one full round will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Like this. And the first part will be the first two downs. So down, down. And the split goes there. So that is part one. And then part two continues with up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So up, down, and then down, up, down, up. Again. And if you combine these two parts, it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds in the standard tempo, a little bit faster it goes. Alright, so we're ready for the actual song, and that is actually how the verse starts. I have now E, 2 strumming rounds, and then A, 2 strumming rounds. And I recommend you to play this one if you can. If you cannot, if it's a little bit too stretchy or it doesn't feel good, then go with the standard chords, E and A, even in the verse. But if you can do it, then do it in the verse with these special chords. E, 2 strumming rounds, A, 2 strumming rounds. You do that for 2 rounds, back and forth. E, A, like this. That is the first verse. Over now to the first pre-chorus. Now we're gonna go up to the C sharp minor and play 2 full rounds. And then to A, and now I recommend you can go with either chord. If you want this, I would go with the sus version, but you can also still get this one. It's up to you, but C sharp 2 and A2. You do that for once. And then you go C sharp 2, A1 and B sus 1. So that is the first pre-chorus. So C sharp 2, A2, C sharp 2, A1, B1, like this. Pre-chorus. Now over to the first chorus, and this is where we need to split on the strumming. So you're gonna play E part 1, so that means down, down, then B sus part 1 again, down, down, and then A1 full round. That portion of E part 1, B part 1, and A1 full round, you're gonna play for 3 rounds. And after these 3 rounds, you're gonna play C sharp part 1, the down, down, B sus, part 1, the down, down, and A, just 1 down and the pause. And that pause builds up for the second round of everything. So, E part 1, B sus part 1, A1 full round for 3 rounds, and then C sharp minor part 1, B sus part 1, and A1 down. Let's do it together. The first chorus and the first round. Now second round, it goes pretty much in the same way almost. The second verse is played the exact same way as the first one, so E2, A2, and you do that for 2 rounds. Then the second pre-chorus is shorter than the first one. So imagine you skip the first C sharp minor to an A2. Skip that part, you jump right into the C sharp minor 2, A1, and B sus 1. That is the second pre-chorus only. So C sharp 2, A1, and B sus 1. Then you go into the second chorus. It's played in the exact same way as the first one. No changes there. And after that happens the bridge part. We're now about 1 minute and 59 seconds into the song. And you're gonna play the C sharp minor 2 full rounds, A 2 full rounds, back to C sharp minor 2 full rounds, then A 1 round and B 1 round. And that's it. Only for this one chord progression round. I'm gonna play it for you, and it goes like this. That is the end of the bridge part, and then starts Sweet Isabel again with the third chorus. And you know what? This third chorus is played in the exact same way as the previous choruses. And after that third chorus comes the outro part, which is pretty much basically that you play another round like a fourth chorus, and it played exact in the same way as the other choruses. And then that is the outro. So 2 choruses right after each other, and that is the end of Enrique Iglesias' Sweet Isabel. Alan Walker, hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, a great choice to bring out, great artist, guitar friendly song, only 4 chords, pretty simple strumming pattern as well. So yeah, thank you for being here, guys. All the guys who watched this, and you, Alan Walker, as well. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like to subscribe to this channel, if you haven't done that yet, then yeah, please do that and follow the journey here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.